So replacing Razer Kraken Pro V2 earpads. So you just grab the earpad and you just twist it like this, like opening a bottle, and it goes off. These are the original earpads after 6 years of using them. In my case, I think I've sit on the headset about 2 or 3 times, and this is how the earpad looks after that. But the headset works completely fine. Also the top band is pretty damaged. Okay, and the same for the one from the right. And as you can see, it's falling apart. These are replacement earpads that I bought from Aliexpress, and this pair costed just $5, and it looks quite similar to the original one. It's even saying for gamers, by gamers, even to the original one is more glossy. But all in all, let's see if it works. So let's just install it. So you grab it, you insert it here, and then you just twist it, and the same for the one from the right, and that's pretty much it. They seem to fit perfectly. They look pretty much as the original ones. I will have to see how much they last. These ones, as I said, they lasted for about 6 years. I'm using also glasses, so because of that it's rubbing on the earpad material, and probably it's causing some damage there as well. Overall, poor quality, but I guess for 6 years it's good that they lasted so long. So if your headset still works and the earpads are worn off, just buy some replacement pads and just replace them, and the headset is still good to use. So Razer Kraken Pro V2 replacement earpads, this is how you replace them, and this is how the ones from AliExpress look like. Cheap ones, just $5. Alright, so if you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.